We're here at CES and I'm joined by Stuart Revel from Digital Communications Knowledge Transfer Network. Stuart, perhaps you could explain to us to start with what it is your company does.
Okay, we're a not-for-profit organisation. We work in the UK to help UK companies collaborate in R&D and looking at services for future electronics and communications services.
And we're here at the UKTI stand. What is it that you're demonstrating here today?
Actually, this is one of the areas that we've been working on, is demonstrating enabling the connected consumer. And we've been working with several UK companies, including the research department of the BBC, to take content and stream it over a femtocell from Ubiquitous, which is a company in Swindon in the UK, over to Samsung smartphones. And actually Samsung have an R&D department in the UK working in this area as well.
And what stage is this technology at?
This technology at the moment, the actual hardware in terms of this femtocell here from Ubiquitous in Swindon is available today, and there's services being rolled out in operators worldwide. The Samsung smartphones are actually standard products that they have, but the concept that we're actually showing here is we're exploring future possibilities of actually taking streaming media and video, which may lead into services, which may lead not. It just depends on how compelling these will be for the future. So the BBC R&D area is just exploring these for the possible future introduction, and hopefully some of these ideas will come through to services in the future.
And how important do you think it is that UK companies come out to something like CES?
I think it's very, very important, and it's actually, this really does showcase a lot of the UK companies and technologies, and it's really, I mean, something like this Samsung smartphone. If you look at smartphone technologies, there's an awful lot of UK technology in there that people don't even realise. I mean, there's things like ARM cores, companies like Cambridge Silicon Radio, companies like Wolfson and Dialog Semiconductor all have operations within the UK and are developing product. This particular femtocell here is made and designed in Swindon in the UK, and inside this is a company called Pikachip, which are actually in Bath in the UK.
So the UK is an exciting place to be right now then?
This is very exciting because actually what we have in the UK is all of the value chain from content, world-leading content in several areas, whether it's sport or the BBC and everything. And actually we can leverage that down into the value chain to produce equipment like this, but also underlying that is the components that we have, and we have several component companies. So it's a really exciting place because it's kind of unique that we have all elements of that value chain, and we can leverage it to bring new services to people in the UK, but also to exploit our technology globally.
Well, it sounds great. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much.